Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we are going to talk about a crypto project that has the potential to grow 20x to 50x during this bull run. This project has the potential to explode in the next coming months. I also placed the link of Peepods bot, which is one of the best Telegram copy trading bot in the market. The bot allows you to replicate the trades of some of the best traders in the world. This is a good option for beginners that are looking to get into crypto trading. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. The project we are going to talk about today is Peapods Finance. Peapods Finance aims to tap into the arbitrage niche, which is a multi-trillion-dollar market. It allows regular investors to profit from a perpetual money-making strategy usually reserved for elite traders. It takes a novel approach to pooling capital and distributing arbitrage profits, unlocking access to an endless stream of arbitrage opportunities. The platform's deflationary token has a capped supply that is continuously burned, making it an extremely attractive investment opportunity. Currently trading at a small fraction of its potential, this token could deliver a 40x upside from here by tapping into its massive target market. By decentralizing capital for trades into pools called pods and distributing the profit to LPs who provide the capital for the trades, Peapods can effectively kill two birds with one stone. The average person has no idea how and when to arbitrage trade. Peapods allow retail investors to profit from arbitrage while helping improve the efficiency of the markets they use daily. Arbitrage traders help markets run efficiently by rotating capital from overcapitalized markets to the markets where it is required. The crown jewels of Peapods Finance are the Peapods themselves. Pods are made up of TKNs, the underlying asset, like WBTC, for example, and PTKNs, the token that represents a share of that pool, like an LP token. The difference in price between a TKN and a PTKN determines whether there is a profitable arbitrage trade. In this way, Peapods creates its own opportunities, over and above the opportunities presented by the market. Now let's talk about PEAS Tokenomics. PEAS is the utility, governance, and yield token for the platform. Here's a breakdown of usage. The project launched with a max supply of 10 million PEAS. New PEAS cannot be minted, but PEAS could be burned. This makes the token deflationary and a solid base for investment. Protocol fees are used to buy PEAS on the open market. See process outlined above. 5% of those PEAS are burned, with the remaining 95% going to pods as rewards. The initial distribution was as follows. 44% to Uniswap PEAS/DAI pool, $100,000 to $300,000 market cap concentration. This essentially means initial liquidity for public sale. 44% to PEAS/DAI position, $100,000 to infinity market cap, the rest of the token liquidity. 12% to the team. Some may find the above confusing, so consider the first 44% of the distribution a public raise at a $300,000 valuation. In terms of valuation, PEAS currently has a market cap of $38 million, and all tokens are circulating. Out of the initial 10 million minted, 48,000 have already been burned. Obviously, as PEAS increase in scarcity over time, the number of PEAS burned for the same amount of revenue will decrease. However, as can be seen, the price of PEAS is directly correlated to the number burned in a given day. Now, if the fees increase due to volatility, we can expect that when the market moves up, PEAS will very likely follow in price. In addition, as the underlying assets increase in value, the fees to wrap or unwrap the PTKNs will also be a larger portion. Thus, based on this flywheel effect, and assuming its continued operation as intended, PEAS is currently undervalued. So here are our targets from the current token price of $3.80 and circulating supply of 9,950,000. 24-25 target, $500 million market cap, or $50.25 per token, a 13x upside from here. As a base case, we would be surprised if a $500 million market cap was not reached based purely on the current trajectory and PEAS deflation. Longer-term target, a $1.5 billion market cap, or $150.75 per PEAS, a 40x increase from here. Now let's talk about the technical analysis. Since peaking in market value in January, PEAS has witnessed a slow correction over the past few months. One key observation is that PEAS has tried to maintain consolidation between the $3.30 to $5.35 zone during this drawdown period. The majority of the trading activity has remained in this range, and the current price is also oscillating between it. At the moment, price action is very neutral in the short term, but the long-term structure is bearish. To undergo a bullish shift, PEAS ideally needs to break above the said range and potentially close a daily candle above the resistance of $5.65 to $5.70. Conversely, further bearish pressure may lead to a retest of the long-term order block at $1.11 to $2.36, which will strengthen its bearish structure and continue the present trend. We recommend waiting for PEAS to break out above the $5.65 to $5.70 resistance before taking a position. In conclusion, Peapod offers a unique selling point. Its target market is essentially limitless. Crypto markets are extremely volatile, and even when that volatility diminishes over time, Peapods will still have a source of value extraction.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.